If emptying the tank didn't fix the P1 error on your portable air conditioner, the problem may be related to sensors or internal drainage rather than just water buildup. Start by unplugging the unit and cleaning around the drain area and accessible internal parts using a dry cloth, since dust or debris can confuse the water level sensor and trigger a false warning. Make sure the air conditioner is placed on a perfectly level surface, because even a slight tilt can trap water inside and stop proper drainage. You can also try a soft reset by unplugging the unit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in to clear temporary sensor errors. Some users also resolve the issue by gently tilting the unit backward for a moment to release trapped water inside the system. If the P1 error keeps coming back or appears with protection warnings in the app, it may point to deeper issues such as a faulty fan, block system, pressure switch problem, or low refrigerant levels. At that stage, professional inspection or manufacturer support is usually required to prevent further damage.